How to fix Docker Desktop, unexpected WSL error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now, right-click on the top bar. Change the command prompt settings. Select Properties from the context menu. Go to the Options tab. Tick the checkbox for Use Legacy Console. Click OK to save the changes. Now, paste the following two commands individually and hit Enter after each to reset the corrupt or misconfigured network settings.